Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting into the right system. Log in with your institution account or enable the library proxy now. Once done, pick 2 to 3 databases that match your subject. Breadth slows you down. Make sure to check each database's coverage dates and content types so you don't chase missing materials. Also, set a temporary project folder or citation manager to capture results. This saves time and prevents duplicate searches later. Now move quickly to query formulation. You now build a query that finds, not floods. Start with core keywords, then combine them with and/or to tighten or expand results. Once you have a working query, add date and document type filters to remove irrelevant hits. Use truncation and wildcards for word variants and quote phrases to lock exact matches. This increases precision and reduces noise. If results are scarce, broaden terms. If too many, add a not or an extra keyword. Export or tag useful results immediately. You finish by triaging search results. Read abstracts quickly to confirm relevance and save the top 10 to 20 items. Then export citations to your reference manager in the correct format and download full-text PDFs where available. Make sure to document the search string and filters used so you can replicate or update the search later. If you hit roadblocks, try synonyms, broaden date ranges, consult the database help, or ask a librarian. These steps fix most issues and restore progress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.